My wife is a great cook, and one of her specialties is stuffed peppers filled with rice and meat. And besides being nutritious and delicious, these stuffed peppers also provide a good opportunity to review some of the laws of brachas. Well, if we deconstruct this delicacy, we'll see that it actually consists of two mixtures. First, the filling versus the pepper, and secondly, the filling of rice versus the meat. So let's start with the big picture, the filling versus the pepper. Which is the ikar and which is the tuffle? Well, generally, the filling is the main reason for eating this combination, and the pepper is just acting as a tasty vessel. So therefore, a bracha is said only on the filling. Now, when you say a bracha on the filling, do you need to include a piece of pepper along with it? No. We learned in class number 20 that the first bite needs to include some of the ikar, but it does not need to include some of the tuffle as long as you intend to eat some of the tuffle food too. And by the way, if you specifically desire the pepper by itself, then you would take a little piece off and say the separate bracha of hadamah. Okay, so what bracha is said on the filling? We learned in class number 20 that when two foods are combined into one mass, even though you desire each of the ingredients, and neither is there to merely enhance the other, nevertheless only one bracha is said since the mixture is defined as one food. Now, in this type of ikar v'tuffle, the bracha is usually determined by the majority of ingredient. But sometimes it's difficult to differentiate the rice from the meat to actually know which is the majority ingredient. So in that case, the rice, being a mizonot food, is considered the ikar. So, the next time you're in Israel, please give me a call. We'd love to have you over as our guest for Shabbat, and you could try some of my wife's delicious stuffed peppers.